Good morning, my name's Richard Lannen, rhymes with cannon, and still a little bit dark. I'm just on my way to the tea room, and today we are having the coffee machine installed. I've been waiting for this day, I don't know how long. Welcome to the vlog. So, I'm in early just to meet the engineer, and as you can see, my work from yesterday is now all dry. So it's ready for the installation of the machine, just need to lift it up and get it into place. Hopefully the engineer will help me with that. And then hopefully if everything's right in terms of connections and he can get it to where it needs to go, everything should be okay. We'll find out. She's in position. Right, so that is it. The machine is now in. As I said before, her name is Zoe. She's Italian. And my wife loves her too, so she's not as jealous as I thought she'd be. So, I will give you a run through on all this at some point, but I've had a couple of espressos, I'm feeling good. Tasted 2 different types of coffee, given out a few to next door just to have a little taste, and we've got 1 more coffee to test. So, yeah, very nice so far, very nice. Now, I need to carry on. See you in a bit. I'm actually home, so the whole day has gone by. It's now 5 to 8. I came home from work, I've eaten, Molly's in bed, and I had visions of going back to the tea room tonight just to show you that coffee machine, but I do need to edit some vlogs, so I've decided I'm staying here because my wife suggested it. It's probably a good idea, and I'm just going to catch up on all the vlogs, get some uploaded so you guys can catch up and actually stand a chance of watching this episode, and then tomorrow I'll do something because in the evening I need to install the boiler properly now and work out the cables and things like that. So I'll do that tomorrow, and that way I can show you through the machine as well. So time to do some vlogs. Right, I have now uploaded something and I'm ahead. I've caught up with some of the other vlogs, so I'll upload them as soon as I can. That may be now, but I'm going to sleep. This will be classed as a mini vlog, another mini vlog, and I'll try and get a bit more of a vlog tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Until next time.